promotion event begins in the center of the mall. As foot traffic increases, patterns begin to form, movements, behaviors, and interactions, all unfolding in real time. Real-time RTSP streams are captured from distributed edge cameras, continuously feeding live visual data into the system. AI instantly detects faces, behaviors, and visual features, including movement paths, dwell time, and interaction patterns. Every moment is transformed into structured, analyzable data. All data is transmitted to the VIDA Cloud platform, where centralized AI event analysis takes place. From vision to action. This is the AI intelligence flow. This system seamlessly integrates footfall analytics, AI event detection, and VLM intelligence. At this point, vision language models are activated. They transform visual data into clear descriptions, context-aware insights, and actionable recommendations. Only when an event is confirmed, such as crowding, falling, or abnormal behavior, does the system trigger intelligent processing, bridging perception with understanding. When an event is detected, VLM generates real-time recommendations to support operational decisions, whether for safety response, crowd control, or business optimization. All results are visualized instantly through the CMS dashboard. Heatmaps, KPIs, trajectories, and event alerts are unified into a single interface, providing full situational awareness, from vision to action. All unified in one intelligent command center.